Do you often feel anxious, stressed, emotionally overwhelmed, or unable to relax, even when there is no obvious reason? Sometimes stress is connected to current situations, but sometimes it may also be linked to unresolved emotional experiences from the past. In today's video, I will explain how the emotion code may help you identify and release trapped emotions that could be contributing to anxiety and emotional stress. What are trapped emotions? Throughout life, we experience many emotions such as fear, sadness, anger, rejection, helplessness, worry, and insecurity. Normally, emotions pass through us naturally. However, during a very difficult or traumatic experience, an emotion may remain unresolved. In the emotion code method, these unresolved emotional energies are often called trapped emotions. For example, a person may experience rejection in childhood, fear during a relationship problem, or helplessness during a stressful family situation. Even after the situation has ended, the emotional effect may remain and continue influencing the person's thoughts, reactions, relationships, and overall well-being. How trapped emotions may contribute to anxiety. Anxiety can feel different for everyone. Some people experience constant overthinking, fear that something bad will happen, tightness in the chest, restlessness, difficulty sleeping, a racing heartbeat, irritability, difficulty concentrating, emotional sensitivity, a feeling of being unsafe. Sometimes, the mind understands that everything is okay, but the body still remains in a state of fear or stress. This may happen because the nervous system is still reacting to a past emotional experience. Releasing unresolved emotions may help the body and mind feel calmer, safer, and more balanced. How the emotion code session works. During an emotion code session, we first focus on the issue the person wants to address. For example, the issue may be anxiety, work stress, relationship fear, social anxiety, panic, or emotional overwhelm. Using muscle testing, we ask the subconscious mind whether there are trapped emotions connected to that issue. The subconscious mind stores information about our past experiences, emotional reactions, and internal patterns. Once a trapped emotion is identified, we may ask, what emotion is it? When did it become trapped? Is it connected to a particular event? Is it inherited from a family member? Does the person need to understand anything before releasing it? After identifying the emotion, a magnet may be passed over the governing meridian to support the release process. For distance sessions, the practitioner works as a proxy for the client. The person does not need to be physically present. A simple example. Imagine someone experienced severe criticism during childhood. At that time, they may have felt humiliation, rejection, fear, or unworthiness. Years later, whenever they need to speak in public, attend an interview, or express their opinion, they may suddenly feel anxious. Their present situation may be safe, but the body may still be reacting to the old emotional memory. By identifying and releasing the trapped emotion, the intensity of the reaction may gradually reduce. The person may begin to feel more confident, relaxed, and emotionally free. Can one session remove all anxiety? Every person is different. Some people notice a sense of calmness after one session, while others may require several sessions because anxiety can have multiple emotional layers. There may be different emotions connected to childhood experiences, relationships, family stress, financial fear, grief, trauma, or inherited emotional patterns. It is important to release these layers gently rather than forcing the process. After a session, the body may also need some time to process the emotional changes. Drinking water, resting, and observing your emotions can be helpful during this period. A calming exercise. You can try. Take a slow, deep breath. Place one hand over your heart and the other over your stomach. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold your breath gently for 2 seconds. Then breathe out slowly through your mouth. Now say to yourself, I am safe in this moment. I allow my body to relax. I release the emotions that no longer serve me. Repeat this breathing exercise for 2 to 5 minutes. This can help calm your nervous system, but deeper emotional patterns may require additional support. Important reminder: the emotion code is a complementary emotional wellness technique. It should not replace medical care, psychological therapy, prescribed medication, or professional mental health treatment. If your anxiety is severe, persistent, causes panic attacks, affects your daily life, or makes you feel unsafe, please speak with a qualified doctor or licensed mental health professional. Energy healing and emotional release techniques can be used alongside professional care, not as a replacement for it. You are not weak because you experience anxiety. Sometimes, your body is simply carrying emotions that were never fully processed. When these emotional layers are identified and released, you may begin to feel lighter, calmer, and more emotionally balanced. If you would like to experience an emotion code session, you can contact me using the details provided in the video description. Distance sessions can be completed using your name and date of birth, and a session report can be provided afterward. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who may be struggling with anxiety or stress. Thank you for watching. Stay peaceful, stay positive, and take care of your emotional well-being.